students, how are you all? Hope you all have done the activity given in the Google Classroom. I have awarded you a marks soon as possible. So let's go into our topic, external hardware components. We have left over some other devices in the external hardware components. So in this session we are going to see about monitor, speakers, printer, projectors, modem, and ports. Let's start from monitor. A computer monitor displays the result of a process. See, the monitor displays the result of the process of inputs. It is also called a visual display unit. The display can be in the both text and images. The information displayed on a monitor is known as a soft copy. Soft copy because we can't touch the output. Remember, the information displayed on a monitor is known as soft copy. Computer monitors are available in various sizes and types. Sizes from 8 inches to 21 inches. Let's move on to the next topic. The next topic is speakers. Speakers are used to listen to music or other sounds from the computer. Now, printer. A printer is used to print text or images on a sheet of paper. See, the printer gives a sheet of printed papers. As the output given by a printer is on a sheet of paper, therefore, this output is known as hard copy. A monitor gives the results that is called soft copy. The printer gives the output is known as hard copy. Now, printers are of mainly two types. There are impact printers and non-impact printers. Now see about impact printers. These printers uses a print head to strike an ink ribbon to give an impression on a sheet of paper. A dot matrix printer is an example of an impact printer. Note, a dot matrix printer is an example of an impact printer. A dot matrix printer uses dot to form an image. Now, non-impact printers. These printers do not use a print head to strike an ink ribbon to give an impression on a sheet paper, which gives a head to strike an ink ribbon to give an impression. Yes, impact printers gives a printed to strike an ink ribbon to give an impression. The non-impact printers does not give impact on sheet. They makes less sound while working than the impact printers. Inkjet printers and laser printers are an example of non-impact printers. Now, the next topic is projectors. A projector is an output device like a monitor. It is used to display output on a large screen called projector screen. We all have seen the projector in our school functions, right? The projectors are used in schools, colleges, office, etc. to give the presentations. Even in coaching institutes, projectors are used to view presentations better. Projections can produce either still or a moving picture. This is the example of a still and this is the example for the moving picture. See, the monitor displays the result. The projector receives from the monitor and it gives the view in the largest screen. Now, the next is the modem. The word modem stands for modulator or demodulator. A modem is a device that converts digital information into analog and vice versa. This is needed for data transformation. You can connect a modem to a computer with the help of cables. A Wi-Fi modem is connected to the motherboard. It can be placed either internally or externally. Wi-Fi is a technology that uses radio waves to provide network connectivity. We are using a Wi-Fi, right, to connect the data from one device to another device. There is no other cables are there. We have just on our hotspot and Wi-Fi to connect both the devices. That uses the radio waves to provide network connectivity. There are types of modems, that is the internal modem, external modem and USB modem. First we are going to see about internal modem. An internal modem is attached to the internal slot of the motherboard. See, this is inside the CPU. These modems are categorized as full duplex and half duplex modems, which are used for fax and internet communications. They can also be used for data-wise communications. Okay. Next, we are going to see about external modem. External modem is a small box connected to a communication port of a computer. See, this is the modem, external modem, that is connected with a system or TV using the cables. It works similar to the internal modem. The only difference is that the external modem is placed outside the CPU box. The internal modem is placed inside the CPU. Now the next modem is USB modem. A USB port is a standard connection interface for personal computers and consumer electronics devices. The term USB modem refers to any type of data, fax, voice modem devices which can be connected to a computer using the USB port. The term is commonly used for specific portable device that looks similar to a USB flash drive but is smaller in size. These small portable USB modems do not require power. For internal modem and external modem, we are going to connect with the power, but with these USB modems, we are no need to require power. Looks similar to our USB flash drive, that is nothing but the pen drive. Now we are going to see about ports. This is the ports where we connect the other devices using the cables. A computer port is a connection point between a computer and an external or internal device. The different types of ports available in computers are serial port, parallel port and USB port. See, these are the different types of ports available in computers. Now, let's see first serial port. Serial port is used to supply data serially, that is bit by bit. It uses a single wire for communication. If an 8-bit pattern of a bits or a byte is to be transferred, then it does it in 8 tries. See, this is a serial port. Now, parallel port. This type of port is available with a 24 pins female connector and is capable to transmitting 8-bit signals at a time. That is, the bits travel parallel to each other. The transfer rate is 8 times faster than a serial port. See the difference between the parallel port and serial port. The right side of the image is a serial port and the left side of the image is a parallel port. Now we are going to see about USB port. This port is specially designed to connect printers, plotters, mouses, joystick, pen drives, digital cameras, etc. with a single plug arrangement. It avoids pin configuration of the ports. See how clumsy this is? So they are made the single plug arrangement. It's flexible to all to use the USB port. With this, the session was over. Now we are going to check our progress. You are going to answer. Yes, we can start now. Yes. The internal hardware components are inside a computer. It is true or false? Internal hardware components are inside a computer. Yes, it is true. Yes, we are correct. Now, the second question. The word modem stands for modulator or demodulator. Yes, it is true. We know that the word modem stands for modulator or demodulator. Yeah, we have got it. Now, the next question. A flatbed scanner has a group of vertical lines or bars. It's true? Oh, we have got wrong. Let's try again. A flatbed scanner has a group of vertical lines or bars. It is false. Yes, correct. Then next question. All the input, output and processing devices are software. It is true or false? Yes, very good. It is false. We are correct. The next question. A computer monitor is also called visual display unit. We all know that it is true. Yes, correct. Now, let's go to the another question. Internal ports connect devices such as hard drives and CD/DVD drives. It is correct? Yes, very good. It is correct. Then next question. Software components instruct a computer to do different tasks. Which one gives a instruct to a computer to do different tasks, hardware or software? Yes, it is software. Then the answer is true. Yes, correct. Inkjet printer is an example of impact printers. I think it's wrong, so I have given false. Yes, correct. Inkjet printer is an example for non-impact printers. Now let's move on to the ninth question. A mouse has a left and a right button. Yes, it is true. There are two buttons in mouse and the scroll wheel in between the left and right buttons. So it is true. Yes, correct. Now, 10th question. Wi-Fi is a technology that uses radio waves. Yes, it is true.